What's up, y'all? It's me and the SRT here. As you can see from the thumbnail and the intro, I blew up the Challenger, bro. I blew it up. You see it. So here I am today fixing it. I just got done removing 3 of the bolts right here, man. It's a bolt here and a bolt here, but this one got broke. When I put it on the trailer, it pulled it off and broke it. I'm so angry about it, man. So now I gotta figure out where to fix that. But there's that one, this one. No, this one right here, I'm so sorry about that. This one right here and that one. And honestly, I think that's it. That also got broken. That's good to see. Over here, yeah, just 4 of these broken on the entire bumper. That's what holds on this entire bumper, man. I don't really understand that, but I'm finna drop the bumper right now and get to doing the radiator and the fans. I got the AC on in the background. There's nothing I can do about it, so you gotta just bear with me. But I just removed some bolts on my front bumper. I just got done. I'm finna lower the bumper right now and show y'all what's underneath the surface. Just down here, there's one more connection right there I gotta remove. Front bumper is removed, as y'all can see. Front bumper down, man. And if you're wondering what a Challenger look like without the front bumper, it looks something like this. Atrocious sight to see. But on to the next step. I just got done looking at what's going on, and there is a hole in my radiator, man. There's a big ass hole. I don't even know if y'all can see it right now, man. Let me see if I can show y'all. You see that? That's where I guess the fan blade is also broken. The fan blade broke and hit the motherfucking radiator, man. Sorry for my language, but it is what it is. I gotta cuss today about this stuff, man. This is getting on my nerves. So I gotta go remove this hose right here and the extra hose down at the bottom. And there's also a little few more holes on the bottom. And whenever I get to those, I will show y'all that as well. So it doesn't even matter if coolant drops on my car right now. I don't even care, man. I'm just ready to get back on the road. This happened like a week ago. The parts are arriving today. So as long as I take this out, by the time the parts get here, I should have it off. It says that they're gonna be delivered around 4 to 5. Over here, it usually comes a little earlier, but I don't really mind that. Let's see. Just down here, there's a scuff plate that has to be removed as well, right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's right here. There's 4 10 bolts in it, 4 10mm bolts in it. I'm gonna remove that, drop it, and then I have access to the radiator brace down here. This should get to my nerves. I hate it because once that's down, I gotta have something to hold this piece up. I don't even know what it's called. I ain't gonna lie, I'm frustrated. But this piece gotta get held up, because if it leaks and the government finds out about that, I'm in big trouble. So I'm gonna do this, fix this shit, and call it a day. Look right here, you can see a little bit of leftover fan blade right here, man. Leftover fan blade all down here, and leftover radiator down here as well, man. This is a sad sight. I'm finna drop the radiator, man. Let's see. Let's look at the damage. Still got the fan connector. That might not be a good idea, but let's see how they come out with the fan connector. That didn't sound good at all. Oh my god. But supposed to take the fan off separately, but I indeed did not do that. So you see the consequences of your own action. Ouch. Alright, just got done removing it. I got these held up. I got this condenser right here, I believe is what it's called, held up by zip ties and clips. So that's good. But I just removed the radiator and fan right here, man. You can see right here, boom, look. Some of the blades missing. That ain't so good. It ain't supposed to look like this. So I'm gonna remove this last bolt right here, and I'm gonna show y'all what the results are. That's a lot of damage. That's an awful lot of damage. Look at that. I think it can still run with these punctures right there, man. Whenever the new radiator gets here, I'm gonna tune back in. But it's not so bad to remove it. Besides the 6 bolts in the bumper, The brace on the bottom of the radiator. What else? Honestly, and the bolts that hold this on together, the condenser to the fan and the radiator. I said it backwards, but you get it. See, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2. 1, 2 bolts right there. And then the fan slides into those and lands just like that. This is the bottom half, and that's the upper half. That's the upper hose. The bottom hose goes right there. I disconnected it in there. So now I gotta play the waiting game. What's up, y'all? The packages just got delivered. As you can see, the packages are right over here, man. I got the new radiator in and the new fan in, and it came with an extra bolt. One-time bolt, left hand thread, okay? Left hand thread. Hooked up all my lights up here, man. I got a light here, a light there, lights everywhere. Just got the new radiator in, man. You see it. Got it all together. It started raining, so I had to stop, sadly. It's a hot day out here today, man, so sorry about the audio, but AC is connected to the radiator. I mean, the fan connected to the radiator. The next step is installing it back inside of the vehicle. Inside of the Hellcat, I mean. Well, what do you know? I gotta wait even longer. This radiator right here doesn't have all the correct holes and isn't the same as my last one. I should have looked more at the pictures. See, like that corner there, this one there. These are just regular holes. I'm not even gonna try and rig something up to make it work. I'm just gonna reorder this one, reorder that one, and return this one so y'all will see about that little jump from what happened last. So the radiator got here, man. There's 5 bolts like this that go on the front of the condenser and the radiator to connect it, and you're gonna want to put that bar right there back on there. And then there's 2 bolts, one right here and one right there, and the same on the opposite side, but it's behind this guard. One right here and one right there. I had to use this right here to push it up. I'm just me by myself today. I pushed that up, lined it up, and then perfect. Only have to disconnect 2 hoses. This big one right here on the bottom right, and the other one up top. For the connector, I need both my hands, so you're gonna have to get cut off.